Okay, so that's the beginning of Planet Caravan by Black Sabbath, Tony Iommi on guitar. So we have this big open E, and we wait till the and of the two. We go 1, 2, and you can go upstroke or downstroke, which one you like, but it's 5 on the D string, and the 3 opens below it to the 4th fret of the D string with the opens. So it's 1, 2, and. Then we have another and, the and of the 4 on the 7th fret of the A string. So it's 1, 2, and. And then we get into this thing 5, 4, open, open, starting on the A string. The second part goes 5, 4, open to the 7 on the D. So starting on the 5, 4, open, open. Now 5, 4, open to 7 on the D. Okay, and check out the free downloadable tabs. It'll make the whole thing a lot easier. We got a big solo coming up. One of the greatest Tony Iommi solos of all time, if you ask me. 1, 2, and. So see what happens the second time was we start it with an open on the big one, 7 on the A, 4 on the D, and then we're back into our chords. Okay, how about we play along with that real slow? 3, 4. And see how good it sounds if you can get all your fingers so tall that everything rings together and really just droning sound going. All right, moving along to the solo. Okay, we're going to start with that much. So we have 4 in the D string, 5 to 7 on the A. So look at the timing, look at the tab on this. You got to listen to these songs a lot to get it really good. Okay, so we got 7 to 10 on the A, 7 on the D, 7, 8, 7, hammer on, pull off on that D string. We got a 10 on the A to 7 on the D and back to 10. So we got. Okay, now our next measure is. So that's just 10 and 7 on the A string. Just got to get the timing right. Okay, the next measure is going to go So 7, 10 on the A to 7, 8 on the D. Then we have a pull off 8 to 7 on the D. Then we have a double 8 to a pull off to a 10. So we have rest. Okay, so rest. Now we're going to have 7 on the D and 10 on the A. Okay, so let's go over everything we have so far. We have okay, now our next thing is okay, so a lot of downstrokes, I think, in Tony Iommi's picking, and that's how he makes particular sounds that sound different than a lot of people. So this one actually comes in on the 2 beat, so it's like 1, all 16th notes starting on the 2nd beat. So it's 1, and check out your tab on this. Okay, so 7, 8, 7, 9 on the G, back to that 7. 7 to 6 on the G, 9 on the D. Going up the scale, 6, 7, 9 to 7. So we got 1,